Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone, ready to boost your budget in Melon Sandbox. Earning money in this game isn't just fun, it also unlocks exciting new possibilities and items for your creations. Understanding how the game's currency works is your very first step towards becoming a Melon Sandbox millionaire. We're going to dive into some simple, yet effective ways you can start building your in-game fortune, making your sandbox adventures even more rewarding. It's easier than you might think. One of the most straightforward ways to earn coins in Melon Sandbox is by tackling challenges and missions. The game frequently offers various tasks, from simple objectives to more complex scenarios, each with its own coin reward. Always keep an eye out for daily quests and special event missions, as these often provide a generous payout. Successfully completing these assigned tasks is a very reliable method to quickly accumulate your in-game wealth, helping you progress faster. Beyond structured missions, simply exploring the vast and imaginative maps in Melon Sandbox can unexpectedly lead to a nice payday. Many areas contain hidden coin caches or interactive elements that, when discovered or triggered, will reward you with currency. Always keep your eyes peeled for anything that looks out of place or perhaps a bit shiny. Interacting with different objects and environments might just unveil a surprising monetary bonus, making exploration truly rewarding. Don't underestimate the power of consistency when it comes to earning money. Melon Sandbox often rewards players just for showing up. Logging into the game every day can grant you valuable bonus coins, and consistent play typically unlocks a range of special daily rewards that really add up over time. Make it a habit to claim all your free currency options. It's an effortless way to steadily boost your balance without even trying very hard. Every coin counts, after all. So, to truly maximize your Melon Sandbox earnings, remember to combine these simple yet effective strategies. Prioritize completing those high-reward activities, like challenging missions, while also making sure to claim your daily login bonuses. Don't forget to explore every corner for hidden treasures either. With just a little bit of strategic play and consistent effort, you'll be swimming in Melon Sandbox coins and unlocking all sorts of amazing content very, very soon. Happy playing, everyone!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.